Following the tragic death of sophomore Luchang Wang, Yale's policies toward mental health have been under intense scrutiny. In response to the student outcry, Yale College Dean Jonathan Holloway, along with a panel of individuals involved in the mental health community, hosted an open forum on Wednesday evening. The event hoped to bridge the gap between perceptions and realities of mental health care. But at the close of the event, as students filed out of LC 102, many still found themselves wondering, did the forum dispel myths or stall on proposed reform?
I came tonight because I am concerned, as many students are, about mental health and withdrawal policies, wanted to learn more.
I came to the forum because I had personal experience with these policies that were very negative, and so I just have a lot of questions, and there's rarely a time at Yale in which administrators actually feel the need to justify their policies.
Though students came in with varying expectations and goals, many interviewed felt that their concerns were left unheard by the administration.
I have sympathy for them because some of them are personal medical questions from individual students and they can't answer them. But the problem is, even when questions were posed about specific policies on their website, for example, they often act confused and gave interpretations that are contrary to the actual text.
I'm wondering, what are we saying it means to succeed as a Yale student? I know kids here who have been suspended for academic dishonesty and readmitted. And there are other beautiful people who are dead.
Specifically, one of the main points of contention during the forum was the desire for a reformed withdrawal policy. The YCC has put forward 2 formal reports with recommendations on mental health policies, one in September 2013 and one in March of last year. While Mental Health and Counseling Director Lorraine Siggins responded by saying these requests would be, quote, taken seriously, the administration has still not formally responded to these reports.
Students were able to express their opinions very clearly, so in that regard it was a success. In other respects, I don't think it was. In particular, I was disappointed that there was not a commitment made to responding to the YC's policy recommendations. So I think that should be a standing policy, that whenever the YC releases a formal report, the administration should have a formal response.
So I was hoping tonight that they might explain the reasoning behind some of the readmission policies, especially those that many students diagnose as being particularly harmful.
Though many felt the open forum was a step in the right direction, attendees recognize much still needs to be done in order to achieve meaningful change.
Rhetoric is great, and I'm glad that we share a common vision, but at a certain point the proof is in the pudding, and September 2013 at this point is a very long time ago. I don't know why we can't get commitments to a lot of these things.
A committee appointed by Dean Holloway that is examining Yale's withdrawal and readmission policies is expected to have a report soon after spring break. For YTV, this has been Nicole, Daly, and Peter Chung.